Hello, my name is Kelly Juliet Lopez Borges. I am 25 years old. I live in Moniquira, and I am industrial engineering student. Um, on this occasion, I will tell an anecdote from my time at school. When I was in the last grade, my classmate and I had to perform in dance to complement the social hours that were required uh, on all the graduate. Um, we were rehearsing about 15 days before the presentation. The doors is the choreography had there out very well. When the day of presentation arrived, we had to dance from as all months on the school in the municipality where I live. Um, when we were on the dance, the music started playing in started dancing, but the music stopped, uh, and no knew what to do when suddenly we heard applause from one of my teachers encouraging is to continue dance without the music. Finally, finish our choreography to the remain of the clapping of the toes where a cheese. It was a months embarrassing moments of my life. Thanks for listening to me. Goodbye.